Roomtodo. Creating renders. To create a render, we need to click on this button. The rendering scene is controlled in a similar way to the first-person mode. In the right panel, we can customize the rendering scene. Here we can select the panorama that will be displayed behind the window. We can rotate it, exposing the part that we need. Please note that the selected panorama will affect the lighting of the render. For example, a night panorama will produce night lighting. We can adjust the height of the camera using the slider. The maximum height we can specify is limited by the height of the ceiling. In addition to the slider, we can enter our own values or use the arrows. We also can change the camera angle by either holding down the left mouse button and moving, or entering our own values, or you can also use the arrows. There are also additional settings, which can be found here. We can adjust the field of view of the camera so that more or fewer objects will fit in the frame. With the help of the clipping option, we can hide the obstructed elements. Here we can either enter our own values, or use arrows too. Next, we need to choose the type of render. This is a regular screenshot, which is free. To create 2K, 4K, and 360 renders, you need to purchase credits. You can buy credits here. The more credits you choose, the lower the cost per credit is. You can also see the difference between a free screenshot and a 2K render. A 360 render allows you to create a 360-degree panorama of the room. After making the appropriate settings, click Start. It takes a few minutes to create a render, and when the render is ready, you will receive an email informing you that the render has already been created. We can view the available renders in this tab. Here we can see the renders that are in the process of being created, as well as the renders we have previously created. After you receive the email, you can open the render and enjoy the high-quality professional visualization that you have just created yourself.